Malik. Hello, Trilokji. How are you?
Hello, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Avinash, good to see you.
Same here.
Yeah. I'm just going to prepare 1 second only. Hello, Trilokji. Happy New Year.
Namaste ji, namaste. Happy New Year to everybody.
We are happy to see you. Thank you, sir.
Same here, sir. Same here.
Happy New Year.
I am Vinod Shah.
I'm Trilok Malik from New
Let
York,
me change the view. One
Yes, sir.
second.
promoting
Change the
Ayurveda Cafe,
Yes.
vegan and vegetarianism.
Excellent. Excellent. Where is the cafe located?
It's in Manhattan, 94th Street in Amsterdam.
Oh, wonderful.
Upper West Side, Vinodji.
Acha, one of these days when things are better, I will come visit. Right now, everybody is afraid of everything here. in the
Right
world.
now, home is the best cafe.
What can you do, right?
And that too with a Gujarati food, you can't beat that, right?
I mean, human being like different tastes, but what happens is this thing has caused so much fear in people
Yes.
that no matter what you do,
Yes.
you are afraid of even your family member. Right? So, my son lives only 2 miles away and I see him for 3 minutes just outside in the garage. Hello, namaste.
Namaste ji, Vimal Goyal.
Welcome, everybody.
Namaste, namaste.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good, good.
Is everybody well?
Yes,
Well,
I am well.
Excellent. Thank God.
We're
family
dealing with
and everything.
coronavirus,
Yes. Yeah, that's the reason we keep on asking well. Devashri, your screen is only limited by like a half screen. So you might want to change it to, yeah, that's better now.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yes, yes. Yeah, people cannot see you well. That's why. You are the main one.
Okay.
Hello, Happy
So,
New Year. This is Avinash.
Anything new today?
No, we are just greeting and wishing today, everybody. We want to see our World Vegan family.
Wonderful. Everybody should join and we are happy. HK is just joining, he told me. So,
Where's Mr. HK?
yeah,
HK and Malti Ben, where's
they both are joining, yes. Yes.
I think they will be introducing us to all people we have never met before as
Yes,
organization. So that would be nice.
Yeah. Well, today being a New Year day, one more nice thing for us is our youngest son, Amit, is wedding anniversary, 12th wedding anniversary today.
Very nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. So we have been celebrating and I prepare a special thing for him that I just want to show you and share with you.
Oh, nice.
It's like a super jumbo card.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, we didn't know you were an artist, so next time we will have to make posters. We'll
For doing the
catch up.
banners and stuff, I think we should seek out Vinod Bhai's help.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have become very virtual. Means when I say virtual means when you see me on this, you will see me like I'm coming to your house. That's how I prepare myself.
Okay, okay.
I feel it's good to be right.
Of course, yes.
Hello, Goyal Saab, welcome.
Thank you ji, thank you. How are you?
We are fine. My name is Vinod Shah.
विनोद जी,
हाँ जी.
आप मीटिंग में आए थे मैं कई दफा आपसे मिला हूँ यहाँ पे ना,
हाँ जी.
लॉन्ग आइलैंड में हूँ मैं.
Yes, absolutely. I remember you. Yeah, it's a little bit time lapse and थोड़ा memory full हो जाता है कभी.
आप लोगों ने हमारे AIA में काम किया था ना, पिछली बार जो प्रोग्राम किया था.
देवश्री ने ज्यादा किया था.
That was very good.
दिवाली के टाइम पे.
Yes, last Diwali.
Last Diwali, yes.
Last Diwali, yes.
You had a good large stall, 2 or 3 stalls that you took and big stage and everything else.
Right, and all those.
Lot of demonstration going on for the recipe and.
Well, right now we can't do anything this year, so hopefully we'll do the same thing next year.
You were going to do something on a Times Square, so.
Yeah, Yeah, there was, we didn't do it, but yeah, there was Times Square that was done for Diwali. That was
FI did it. FI did it for the lighting ceremony.
yes, yes. That was the NASDAQ. It was on the screen, and I didn't go there because of Corona. I'm trying to stay
Yes,
away.
yes,
I've
yes.
been told.
Most people cannot, but
Right.
at least it was there, and we have a good feeling about, presenting ourselves in the world.
That was very good.
It
Right.
was 50th anniversary of FI in New York. So
Is Nitin or Nituji coming? Anybody knows?
Nitin bhai,
I don't know.
Nitin is
वो आ
there.
गए नितिन जी आ
नितिन
गए
अब
नितिन
बोलते ही
जी
आ गए, देखो 100 साल के होने वाले। नितिन जी,
hi. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. We cannot hear you, Nitin ji.
उनका वो म्यूट है एक्चुअली.
हाँ.
Happy Nitin.
Happy New Year.
Yeah,
Happy
sure, I'll definitely.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone. It's Nitin Vyas
Hello.
here. How are you?
Very good, very good.
So, what's happening?
नितिन जी, त्रिलोक मलिक
लियम
का
બધા
नमस्कार.
દેખાય છે, लियम.
Yes.
એવું કરું છું, બધા દેખાય એવું બધું કરું છું. હવે મારામાં કરું છું, તારામાં તું અડધો દેખાય છે.
Bless your Krishna's Darshanam. I'm at one of that religious event.
Video call करू છું. हाँ? Sure. This being a new year, everybody is calling also. So,
Yeah.
Hello.
that's good.
No, we will try to keep it brief. I think we
HK.
should just run it like, whoever can meet and greet, and we can get to know each other, kind of. Put a
Right.
face
Yeah.
together.
HKG is here, everybody. Welcome, HK.
Hey, how are you? Happy
HK, Happy New Year.
Happy
Namaskar.
New Year.
Dandavat Pranam. Dandavat Pranam.
Happy New Year.
Yeah,
Happy
namaste.
New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year, Maldi
Happy
Ben.
New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year to everyone.
All right. Well, let me. Nina is also here. She wants to. Bandana. Dandavat.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Hello,
Happy New
Ji.
Year.
Happy New Year, Lila.
How come you're wearing
Happy New Year.
mask in the house and not outside?
We are outside.
Oh, yeah.
Mask પહેરીને surprise you and with the mask, Lina.
I have to, because of okay, I'll talk it later on. So how are you all?
Sure.
Okay.
Fine. Fine. Happy New Year to you.
Oh, same to you. Thanks a lot. Tell me, what's all going on there?
We are introducing each other. That's the thing, and wishing Happy New Year to everyone.
Yeah, I didn't get your name. Hello?
Maybe if you can just remove your mask for a second, then people can see your face real.
That's right.
Okay, here you
There
go.
you go.
Okay.
Now we know.
Now we
Now
know,
you know me, but I
now we
don't
know
know
who is
you.
the secret star.
Huh?
We know who is the secret star.
Oh, is it? Who is the secret star? Okay. May I know to whom I'm talking?
Vice President Kamala Harris is assistant. Nitin Bhai is joining Kamala Harris.
Oh, yes. Now I got it.
What you got it?
He's
So
in
lucky.
the position team of Kamala Harris, putting her all the bullet points together. What she's
Correct.
going to do for India.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was the celebration, Diwali and that?
Everybody is doing at home celebration, solo celebration.
This is our
On Zoom,
Okay,
right?
Okay, very good.
Everyone is doing it on Zoom.
Right,
That's it.
right.
This
absolutely.
is one of the bad
Right.
Diwali in last 25, 30 years.
Came to HK. HK
No,
came
it's all
to
right.
Happy Diwali and Sal Mubarak. Sal Mubarak,
Mr. HK,
मीठाई खाधी
Happy
तुम्हें?
New Year to
मीठाई खाधी?
everybody.
Happy New Year.
Oh, happy
Oh.
Happy New Year,
Happy
Happy
New
New Year,
Year.
Happy New Year. Sal Mubarak, Sal Mubarak.
Right, everything fine.
Ah, બધા મજામાં છે, બધા
Wish you all
મજામાં
the
છે.
best.
Yo, same to you. Thanks a lot. માલતીબેન ક્યાં છે?
હું અહીંયા છું, બીજામાં try કરતી
આવો
હતી.
ને.
Happy New Year,
Ah.
Sam Mubarak, everybody.
સાલ મુબારક, સાલ મુબારક.
Happy New Year, Maldi Ben.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year,
Happy New
Happy
Year,
New
Happy
Year,
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Right. Okay.
હું વિનોદને મોકલું છું 1 મિનિટ
બધા
આવે.
બરાબર છે ને?
બધા
Yeah.
અવિનાશભાઈ કેમ દેખાતા નથી?
આવે છે વિનોદભાઈ આવે છે 1 મિનિટ.
અવિનાશભાઈ
એમને.
અને એમના wife?
Diwali was very good in India. Big crowd. Mask or no mask. Bombay, Delhi, Ahmedabad, everywhere. Big crowd.
where
How was the function? Good? Lina? How was
હા
the function? Function કેવું હતું કાલનું? How was it?
કયું
Times
કયું
Square.
Times Square.
Times Square બહુ મજા આવી તમે લોકો ના આયા બહુ મને તો બહુ મજા આવી I
We
enjoyed
don't
it
go
lot.
out. We don't go out.
ના,
But it was in open.
We will not take the risk. No, no way.
ઓપન હતું there was
Open was so very
You
crowded.
were very.
And now
No,
cases are increasing. You can't go.
crowded no crowded તમને તમે મેનહાટનમાં નીકળશો ને તો on the street you see everybody is wearing mask. Everybody is wearing mask.
No, all these big functions are good for the young people like you, not for us.
No.
You're right.
So the
I
functions are
always
good
get
for
the
everyone, but
opportunity.
sometimes we
I know,
cannot be
SK.
present.
Yeah.
SK, I always get the opportunity to visit Manhattan because I love my Manhattan and I miss
Yeah.
now because I'm not able to go daily there. So, but we miss
HK.
you on that day. HK sweet ખાધી કે નહીં માલતીબેન?
બહુ સરસ હતી. Very nice.
Very nice.
આ
Thank
બધી
you.
vegan હતી?
ભાવિન
Vegan હતી?
આ બધી vegan જ હોય ને.
Thank you. મેં
હા,
કાલે
vegan
ફોન
હતી.
કરેલો. કાલે
Of
ફોન
course.
કરેલો તમે નહીં મળ્યા. સાડી
કાલે
vegan
અમે
હતી
સોનાલીને
બધી?
ત્યાં ગયા હતા you know.
અચ્છા અચ્છા.
હા
ને-
vegan બધું
ક્યાં
vegan
ક્યાં છે?
ઘૂઘરા
નીતિન
નહોતા
ક્યાં છે?
અને આ કોને ઠાપડાને એ કોને બનાવેલા મઠિયા?
મઠિયા મેં બનાવ્યા હતા.
બહુ સરસ હતા. આટલા
Oh,
ફાઇન
thank
બનાવે છે તું? વેરી ગુડ.
હા
એ ને ચોળાફળી બહુ ફાઇન.
મેન તો બનાવનારી હું જ છું ને બધું હું મારી પબ્લિસિટી નથી કરતી હું મારી પબ્લિસિટી નથી કરતી
એમને કર થોડી.
Avinash. Avinash.
Mr. HK.
બોલો.
Trilok Malik, I can't hear Mr. HK.
Huh? You can't
HK,
hear
sir.
me.
You can hear me? Trilok
Yes,
Malik?
Yes,
no,
yes.
of course.
આપકા સાઉન્ડ નહીં હોगा બાકી वी कैन हियर यू.
You cannot hear me, okay?
Ayurveda Cafe.
आप अपने आप को
HK.
unmute कीजिए. त्रिलोक जी,
Trilok
unmute
Malik
कीजिए
from
अपने आप.
Ayurveda Cafe.
I
Avinash,
know
your
him.
volume. Avinash.
પેલી ગઈ.
ભાઈ,
શું છે નીતિનભાઈ કેમ છો?
તો તમે તો
બસ
મોટો
alright છે.
ચાટલો બાટલો કરીને આજે તો આમ
ના, એક
કૃષ્ણ
religious
જેવા લાગો
એક
છો.
એક રિલીજીયસ ઇવેન્ટમાં આવેલો છું ઇસ્કોનનું એક અમારા
અચ્છા.
ડિવોટી છે ને ફ્રેન્ડ
Yes, yes, yes.
અને ત્યાં આગળ આજે ગેટ ટુગેધર છે નવા
wonderful.
વર્ષનું એટલે વી આર હિયર
To celebrate the new year. Good, good.
રાઈટ
good.
રાઈટ
you look like Sadhu.
હવે
You look
રિયલી
like-
હવે થઈ જ જવાનું છે હવે એ જ બાકી છે
ગોવિંદામાં જોઈન થઈ ગયા એવું લાગે છે.
આ છે એવું લાગે છે ને
ગોવિંદાના લાઈફ મેમ્બર છે ને એટલે
રાઈટ રાઈટ ના તમારો ફોન આવેલો પણ હું ગઈકાલે સોનાલીને ત્યાં હતું એટલે વાત નથી થઈ પણ
અચ્છા,
પછી ફોન
okay.
કરું છું તમને પછી
હા.
એને વાત કરીએ છીએ આપણે ઓલરાઈટ તો બધાને હેપી ન્યુ યર્સ અને દંડવત નાના પ્રણામ એચકે અને માલતીજી માલતીબેન
બધાને તમને
અને-
બધાને ન્યુ યર હેપી ન્યુ યર
અને-
અને હા
That's all.
Avinash, wow,
Yes, sir. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
alone where is
Cousin.
better half?
Avinash,
હા.
તમારી વાઈફ કા છે? બેવ જણ આવેલા.
Yeah, એક મિનિટ દર્શના. Come here.
દર્શના તો છુપાઈ ગઈ. દર્શન નથી દેવા દર્શના.
દર્શનાના દર્શન
હવે
કરવા
માથોડીને આવે છે.
અહીંયા બધું દેખાવાનું નથી.
So, Vimalji, what is happening? How are you, Vimal Goel?
I'm doing very good. Thank you जी. HK और जी क्या हाल है आपके?
आप भी अकेले विमल जी.
ત્રિલોકજી નમસ્કાર હેપી ન્યુ યર ટુ
Namaskar,
એવરીવન
namaskar.
You're looking very good.
Oh,
Thank
thank you. Thanks a lot.
आप भी अकेले हैं, विमल जी कहाँ है?
विमल जी को लॉन्ग आइलैंड का कोई दूसरा आदमी है ही नहीं आपके आपके
नहीं लगता है हमारे सब लोग सो रहे हैं अभी तक।
हेलो, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
पहले साल हैप्पी दिवाली टू
लगता है
दर्शन
दिवाली
उन्होंने
दर्शन
दिवाली
दर्शन
बहुत जबरदस्त
करवाना
मनाई है
अग्रज
कम।
મોટું કરો સંભળાય.
બધા કહે છે દર્શનના દર્શન નથી થતા એમ કહે છે.
विमल जी वो मोदी बीइंग अ प्रेसिडेंट नहीं आया, के नहीं आया, कोई नहीं आया।
आई नो
Okay.
ये तो है ही।
I'm just get to go
सब
now.
लोग आएंगे आराम से, कुछ लोग भूल गए मेरे ख्याल से, दोबारा उनको रिमाइंड करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं नहीं ऐसे कैसे भूल जाएगा.
आई नो
इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. अभी इन्होंने $100 का टिकट लिया होता तो कभी नहीं भूलते थे.
तो नहीं भूलते, दैट्स राइट। या तो वो लेते ही नहीं या वो भूलते नहीं। सही कह रहे हैं आप, सही कह रहे हैं।
શું કેમ છે દર્શના, બધું બરાબર, એવરીથિંગ ઓકે?
હા, બધું બરાબર છે.
વેરી ગુડ, વેરી ગુડ. ન્યુ યર કઈ રીતે સેલિબ્રેટ, હાઉ આર યુ ગોઈંગ ટુ સેલિબ્રેટ ટુડે?
Same like every day.
What is that?
ગઈકાલે મારા નેફ્યુ ને ત્યાં ગયા હતા તો અમે લોકો
Oh,
લેટ
I see.
આવ્યા એટલે હજુ
Yeah, very good. गोयल जी सब गुजराती तो समझते हैं ना आप?
मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है, मेरे सब जो वर्कर्स हैं सब गुजराती हैं, तो कोशिश होती है उनको समझने की।
आप बोल नहीं पाए लेकिन समझ तो जाते हैं, राइट?
हाँ समझ जाता हूँ, कई दफा उनसे पूछना पड़ता है भाई ये एक दो वर्ड है वो समझ नहीं आ रहे क्या है।
डिफिकल्ट वर्ड नहीं समझ में आते, बाकी तो ठीक है।
हाँ ऐसे ही है भाई। देखो मैं भी मारवाड़ी हूँ तो मुझे मारवाड़ी तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से आती है, तो काफी है सिमिलैरिटी है अपने गुजराती और मारवाड़ी में।
हम लोग भी मारवाड़ी है गोयल जी।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
ओरिजिनल वी आर ऑल फ्रॉम मारवाड़। No,
अच्छी
it's
बात है
true.
जी।
बाप दादा ग्रैंडफादर एंड ऑल।
ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर.
My
मैं जयपुर से
grandfather,
हूँ जी।
he came from the Marwar to Bombay.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा, वेरी
So
गुड
same,
वेरी गुड।
same thing with HK. His grandfather came. My
ओह
grand-
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, बड़ी अच्छी
my
बात है।
grandfather.
हम लोग लाहौर से दिल्ली आ गए, आप लोग जो है वहाँ बॉम्बे चले गए गुजरात से।
बॉम्बे।
You were
बढ़िया।
born
मेरा
in
ऐसा
Lahore.
सोचना
You were
है।
born in Lahore.
मेरा ऐसा
लाहौर-
सोचना है कि जो
अच्छा।
इंडिया से अमेरिका आते हैं वो सब दिल से मारवाड़ी ही होते हैं। वो पैसे कमाने के लिए अमेरिका आते हैं।
क्यों?
आपका you were born in Lahore.
नहीं मैं तो खैर इंडिया से हूँ, मेरा तो जन्म इंडिया में हुआ था, लेकिन मेरे ग्रैंडफादर थे वो, मेरी मदर भी एक्चुअली लाहौर की बोर्न है। तो हाँ वो लोग लाहौर से इंडिपेंडेंस टाइम पे आ गए थे दिल्ली, तो तब से ये हम लोग इधर दिल्ली आ गए, हमारे सब लोग नाना लोग दादा लोग सब लोग दिल्ली आ गए, और वहां से काफी लोग बॉम्बे चले गए थे, ये भी है।
Very good, very good.
आप
ऐसे ही-
जाते इंडिया
हाँ जी।
जाते कि नहीं जाते?
बिल्कुल जाता हूँ, मैं हर साल जाता हूँ इंडिया, और इस साल तो आपको मालूम ही है इस वजह से जाना
वो मैं भी हर साल जाता हूँ, ये साल नहीं जाएंगे।
इस साल
हाँ।
सब लोग नहीं जाएंगे.
बात है। इंडिया से तो कांटेक्ट रखना बहुत जरूरी है, फिर किसी ना किसी की शादी होती रहती है हर साल बच्चों की, तो इसलिए आना जाना लगा ही रहता है। अभी
लगा
मैं
ही
फंक्शन
रहता है।
में गया था, 2 शादियों में।
हम हर साल 3 महीना दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी इंडिया निकालते हैं।
हाँ।
ये साल इधर स्टक हो गया अभी।
ये तो है ही, इस साल तो पता नहीं होगा, साल पता नहीं क्या होगा। देखिए ये जो है ये बहुत ही प्रॉब्लमेटिक चीज है। एक्चुअली अपना वेजिटेरियन विजन है, इसका जो अपना जो आइडियल है और जो अपना मोटो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है,
हाँ,
कि लोगों को ये समझना चाहिए कि वेजिटेरियन होना कितना जरूरी है आज की तारीख में, कि
Yes.
कितनी बीमारियां हैं जो जानवरों से हम लोगों में आ जाती हैं, और ये वायरस भी हमें मालूम है, सबको मालूम है इस बात का कि ये जानवरों से ही आया है।
हाँ,
और फिर हमें जानवरों की तरफ अपने को कोई अपनी सिंपैथी भी होनी चाहिए, और उनकी अपन ह्यूमन है, आदमी है, और हम पावरफुल हैं, तो इस जानवरों को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए।
सही बात है.
ये चीज
बिल्कुल सही
हमारा ये जो
This is our motto. अपना मोटो ही है.
यही चीज है। तो
Mission.
जो वेजिटेरियन विजन का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है जो एचके जी ने शुरू किया वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, और सभी को ये समझना चाहिए, और ये हमें इस चीज को ज्यादा स्प्रेड करना है लोगों को। काफी लोग
तो अभी इस पे अपना एक ब्रांच बॉम्बे और अहमदाबाद खोला है। इंडिया में भी 2-4 ब्रांच खोलने का है।
अच्छा अच्छा, चलिए अच्छी बात है।
इधर भी थोड़ा एक्सपांड करेंगे। अभी ये
हाँ।
कोविड की वजह से कुछ कर नहीं सका।
ठीक
ये
बात,
साल 2020 बहुत खराब गया सबके लिए।
सबके
हाँ।
लिए।
सही बात।
Only 1 month left for that now.
और अपने मोदी जी जो बहुत अच्छा उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं, ये अच्छी बात है।
That's great. सही बात है।
हाँ, तो उसकी वजह से उनका सपोर्ट है, उसका अपने को बहुत फायदा है।
हाँ।
ये जो मिशन है, ये इसको बहुत फायदा है उस बात का।
हाँ, वो बात बराबर है।
सही बात। त्रिलोक जी चले गए?
नहीं सर, मैं यहाँ हूँ, बैठा हूँ,
तो पिक्चर में दिखते नहीं है तो क्या चला गया? वीडियो बंद कर दिया?
सुन रहा हूँ आपको मैं।
अच्छी
वो
बात
दिख
है।
he's not video, he's only on audio. We were expecting at least 30-40 people, but nobody's there except 5. I don't know why.
Yeah,
मेरे ख्याल
Avinash,
हो सकता
Avinash,
है।
you sent so many emails, but response
He
is
did.
not good.
Avinash did.
Response is very poor.
yeah, what can I do? I sent
No,
2
that's-
reminders, we published it many
No,
times.
no,
couple
first
times.
of all, HK,
Ah.
you should pick up the phone and call the people who are the trustees and people like that. Okay, what are you doing? Are you reading
Even-
anything or not?
Trustees, president have not come, trustees have not come. I was
So
surprised.
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Right?
And we kept that around this time so that people from India can join and nobody. is there.
Anywhere.
Yeah,
I mean,
Long Island he's the only one from Long Island. We expected from at least 10 people from Long Island. Where are they? Nobody has come. All are sleeping. What are they doing?
No, they are not sleeping. They are
But they are
neglecting.
responsible. KK Mehta, Sunil Modi, all are responsible.
राइट
Amin S. Goenka, all are responsible. कोई आता ही नहीं।
वो जरूरी है, रिस्पांस बहुत जरूरी है।
अरे रिस्पॉन्स जरूरी है।
हाँ,
ये
सही
देखो
बात।
ना, हम लोग 6 आदमी हैं।
मेरे ख्याल
नितिन आके गया, नितिन and देवाश्री. That's all.
वही 6-7 आदमी, 8 आदमी क्या है?
अविनाश जी, एक दोबारा स्केड्यूल कर लीजिए और आप मुझे ईमेल भेज दें तो मैं पर्सनली इन लोगों को फोन भी कर सकता हूँ सबको। और
अच्छी बात।
We are doing a meeting every month with a different topic. This time we just thought that let us have a get together so everybody can participate.
And see each
Yes.
other also.
When we all
so-
can say happy Diwali, that was the whole idea. कि there will be 50-60 people. ये तो 6 आदमी हैं।
The last month
लॉन्ग
we
आइलैंड
had
से भी नहीं
a
आया,
cooking
न्यू
demo.
जर्सी से भी कोई आया नहीं। प्रेसिडेंट इज नॉट हियर, न्यू जर्सी का। क्या करे, कोई है ही नहीं। खाली
Everybody is celebrating a new year themselves.
यही चीज। आज
This was a good time actually. 11 o'clock is the best time because most people can be ready, take shower,
Yeah,
get
that's
some
that.
activity, right?
That's why we kept it 11 o'clock.
And generally speaking, most Gujaratis on New Year day, they wake up around 5:30 in the morning.
वाह,
So because they're early days, and then they have a lot of worshipping for the whole year that God has given happiness and health, and we are praying for the same thing to coming year. That's what we do.
ठीक बात।
So majority of
11
बजे का आपका टाइम एकदम परफेक्ट था। मैं अभी नहा के आया
Perfect.
10:30 बजे और वो टाइम एकदम सही था।
हाँ,
सब लोग 11 बजे सब लोग तैयार हो सकते हैं।
हाँ, ये तो है।
त्रिलोक,
मलिक
क्या
साहब।
चल रहा है आपका? त्रिलोक,
हाँ जी,
क्या
अभी-
चल रहा है? बहुत टाइम के बाद मिला, क्या चल रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा है, बढ़िया है। आयुर्वेदा कैफे चल रहा है 22 साल से। मैं तो प्रमोट करता हूँ वेजिटेरियनिज्म फूड, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ आयुर्वेदा। अभी परसों भी मैंने लेक्चर दिया, मेक्सिको में ऑनलाइन इवेंट किया।
हाँ,
हाँ, तो मैं तो कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा करता ही रहता हूँ।
very nice.
और मेरा हमेशा ये कहना है
हाँ,
कि वेजिटेरियन इज गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ। डोंट वरी अबाउट द वर्ड,
Right.
डोंट थिंक अबाउट द कंपैशन।
हाँ,
It is good for your health
Personally,
because your stomach is not a graveyard. Why you want to put a dead food, dead meat in your body?
Right.
तो मैं जब
Right.
दोस्तों को बोलता हूँ वो बोलते हैं यार don't make it sound so gross. I say that's what it is. I say that is true. That's what it is exactly.
Tirlok
We
ji,
call it a graveyard.
but Tirlok ji, vegetarian में तो milk भी और dairy products भी आती है और from my own experience,
उसका
I
मैं
was a
आपको
vegetarian,
जी
but my
जी
cholesterol was very high, and as soon as I went vegan, it became normal.
you see vegan is something to do with your body condition. See, our restaurant Ayurveda Cafe is vegan, vegetarian, gluten free and kosher.
Yeah.
We have a lot of people, Vegan Academy, they do hold their classes there, a celebration.
Look at that.
Okay.
So why don't
A lot of people-
why don't you follow us on our page and put your events and things on our page?
Well, I will, but you know what happened? Your program, I'm going to be very honest with you. Half the time they are boring. They are not exciting. So that is why even today, why a lot of
Yeah,
people are not joining. It is boring.
So tell us what we can do to make it exciting.
Need to
and-
be
and put
exciting,
your input into
because-
the programs.
Yes. What we need to do is we need to bring 1 or 2 speakers. They only speak for 5 minutes so that the audience walk away with something. Oh yes, I gave my time, I learned something there.
Yeah, and
I'm
if you-
sorry
if
I'm
you're-
being so straightforward. I'm
no,
sorry. I'm
that's
being
fine.
so-
But did you check our last 2 events, and the videos are there on our website too. First one was vegan motherhood. So we had half a dozen mothers who have raised vegan children, and they gave a talk about an hour. And the last one was cooking essentials in the kitchen
No, some-
to make recipes vegan. And that had about 40, 50 people attending too. So we are trying to make it interesting and useful and educational. And
No, it
you,
is.
you can even come on our Zoom event and you can be a presenter.
Yes, Trilokji.
No, I rather learn. I rather learn.
No, as a business owner, you are welcome
And
to
my
join.
apology if I said something so straightforward, you know.
Any learning is a lifelong process, but
Gee,
people have to learn from others' experience and knowledge.
that is
So
why
it is
I'm
good to
learning
share.
from you guys. That's why I'm
No, no,
learning from
सभी को
you
सभी
people.
को पास कुछ है तो आपको भी कुछ शेयर करना
नहीं
चाहिए,
सर,
आपको
मैं तो
देना
अब-
चाहिए यार.
I'm still learning. I'm still a seeker. I'm still learning. Every day I'm
I'll
learning.
contact you after this. I'll send you an email and we'll try to do something. We'll try to get your advice and make something different.
Yeah,
No,
public
you have
event.
been doing good work, by the way. Mr. HK knows me for many, many years. I'm a filmmaker.
We know each other for 40 years now.
No,
Wow.
not 40 years, sir, 30 years.
30 years.
When I made my first movie, Lonely in America,
Right,
you
right.
know me. You know,
What was the name of the movie?
Lonely in America.
Lonely in America. That was
Lonely.
his first.
I'm a
Lonely
New
in
York.
America.
I'm a New York Emmy nominated filmmaker. I have made many films about your life, my life, and the
Wonderful.
life of Indians in America.
So is it on Netflix?
What is Netflix?
The Lonely in America, is it on Netflix now?
No, no.
Can we
What
watch
is
it?
Netflix? What is Netflix?
Netflix is a video streaming service like
Is it?
YouTube.
You watch it on the NRITVFilmClub.com. Watch it for free. There are 17 movies about Indian Americans.
NRI, what is that? NRI?
TVFilmClub.com. Write down, please.
Yeah,
NRIFilmClub.com.
NRITVFilmClub.com.
Oh, I see. NRITVFilmClub.com. Okay.
Watch it for free. There are 17 movies.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, you know what?
Tirlokji,
One of, and
can you
the
put
reason
them
I
on-
said,
Can you?
gee,
I suggest to put them on YouTube. So you'll get a much wider exposure.
And also people will be able to reach. Exposure की तो बात अलग हो गई, लेकिन जब भी किसी को देखना है ना तो पता चलेगा, क्योंकि everybody do not know about this.
That's what I'm saying, the exposure, that a lot of
Ab-
people
ab-
will have access to the
ab-
movies.
तो लोग जी देखिए, आपने एक एडवाइस दी, आपको 5 एडवाइस मिल गई.
idea मिल गया,
honestly, you
advice नहीं
want
है.
to know, I'll give you the answer. Our Indian Americans do not support the art.
Yeah,
They are living 30 years in this country. They have no
yeah.
idea What
You
is
are
going
right.
on?
You are
My
right.
films have made so much money for my American distributor. Lonely in America was on HBO all over the world, 74 countries, 37 film festivals. Sir, आप
Wow.
मेरा नाम Google करेंगे आप, तो what I'm trying to say is to everyone here, I find that even your vegetarian vision, it's a wonderful idea. It's a great idea. And but anyway, yes, thank you for your advice.
Yeah,
No,
advice.
it was a suggestion. We can't
Suggestion,
advise you.
suggestion.
It was a suggestion.
No, it's a, I tell you why. Suniye.
Yeah.
When you check out the website, you will know that.
मैं आपकी वेबसाइट पे हूँ त्रिलोक जी।
देखा आपने?
हाँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ उसको कि
Trilok ji, it's an honor to know you a little bit more today. Great pleasure. I will check it out.
No, sir, because
I wrote
Mr.
it down,
HK Shah, I
NRI
know
Film
him for a
TV
long
Club.
time. I know
Thank
so many people. Rekha Tolet, you know Rekha Tolet?
Of course, we
Okay,
work
Rekha
together.
Tolet. Our dear
Then-
friend Dr. Arvind Shah, who passed away.
Yes, of course, of course.
Mr. Dr. Bhupi Patel.
Yes.
So this whole circle, Mr. HK Shah knows that. I know all of them.
Yeah, I know.
त्रिलोक जी आप दिल्ली से हैं?
Sir, I was born in Delhi.
ओके, हाँ, क्योंकि उसमें नाम आ रहा है ना आपका कि इंडियन एक्टर बोर्न इन न्यू दिल्ली।
Yes, I was born in New Delhi, sir.
ओके,
Very nice, very nice.
But आप watch कीजिए Lonely in America, you will like
I'm
it.
going to watch it this
It's a
afternoon.
very, very funny movie and you can watch with your family. And that was
Absolutely.
the first film about Indians in America.
Absolutely, we will
I
watch
think
it.
I think that today's low attendance program is successful because of this discussion about this film and the website that you provided.
Yes, yes.
I've
Yes.
been promoting Ayurveda Cafe for last 22 years. It's all vegetarian food. It's based on the principle of Ayurveda. All our customers are Americans. More than 1 million people have visited that restaurant.
And
In
not
last so
only that,
many
very reasonable price. Price
I
is
got
very
the movie. It
reasonable.
was you made it in 1990. Looks like.
Yes. And the Ayurveda Cafe was 1998.
What
I
is the capacity?
I give lectures. I
sir?
give 40 seats.
40 seats, okay.
It's
We
also
can
a
do
work
one
of
our
passion.
meetings there.
I do this because it's a work of my passion. I love doing this.
That's it. That's good. Great.
To me, I think it's a wonderful feeling, when I can contribute India's greatness with the vegetarianism and Ayurveda and Indian philosophy, and I can share with non-Indians and say, hey, something you might be open to using for your health. So this is how I present them. So that is why I always promoted my work among non-Indians, because I'm in the Upper West Side. And we do have some Indians come, whoever they discover. You all are invited as my guest whenever you want to come. Send me an
Thank
email
you.
and be my guest.
Thank you.
It will be an honor to come and see you as such. Not just to be your guest, but it's a pleasure.
Let us have
Thank you.
a board meeting there.
Yeah, one day. Yeah.
Yeah, we can
Yes.
have a board meeting.
Yes.
What are the timings Ayurveda Cafe open?
11:30 to 9. Aajkal to because of COVID hai na.
Yeah.
So it is right now, no restaurant is
Open that good. Yeah, I got it.
doing good right now.
त्रिलोक जी आपकी ईमेल क्या है? ईमेल एड्रेस क्या है?
मेरा email है जी appleproduction1@gmail.com.
What production?
Apple production.
Apple production.
Number 1
Yeah.
@gmail.com.
ठीक बात।
I got the link on the same email. I was sent the email.
Yeah, that is in our MailChimp database.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Sometimes
we
we don't
can-
have names with the email, so we'll associate a name now.
Okay.
Now we conclude unless somebody has to say anything.
Yeah.
Thank
I have
you.
one question for Trilokji.
Ji.
Since you have a long Ayurveda cafe,
Ji.
you must be knowing a lot of Ayurveda practitioners in the country.
Yes, I do.
Can you suggest me later one or two of them? I will call you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Take my number 646
646
345
345
8707.
8707. Yeah, I'll call you later and talk to you tomorrow or day after. Right?
Sure, no problem. Anytime.
Get some guidance, suggestion from you.
No,
Later.
anytime, because I totally believe in Ayurveda, and I think it's a wonderful science. 2 days ago, we celebrated Ayurveda World Day.
Oh,
Yeah, Mr. Modi has started this, and we did a webinar, Ayurveda Day in Mexico. So
Oh.
we had speakers in Spanish, and I was there. And no, Ayurveda is a truly wonderful way to live life.
yes.
I promote that. I teach people that also how to live Ayurveda lifestyle.
Excellent.
And half the Gujarati people do know that, by the way, because being vegetarian,
Yes.
that's why I said half the Gujarati people do know that already anyway. Because in Ayurveda, food is the number one. Your
Right.
food is your medicine.
Sula,
That is true.
So if
Yes,
you
Sula.
eat vegetarian food,
Ek minute,
it's a
madam.
healthy food. It is
एक
good.
જ मिनट.
So, but you are
Very
doing
good.
good work, by the way. I must say, HK Shah started long time ago, and it's a good to promote
Yeah.
being vegetarian.
Thank you.
And I think also people should do it not because it's a compassionate and all that stuff. No, it is good for your own health, your own system. And when you eat local, you eat vegetarian, you eat natural food, you will
But
stay
sir, from
healthy.
last 2 years, we have
You will
become
stay
a
healthy.
vegan advocacy group. And the reason is even for your own health, it is proven now that avoiding dairy is better.
Yes. See, the vegan is something with a different choice, because a lot of the people become vegan because the milk does not suit them.
Fine.
Or some people think drinking milk is not good. But Ayurveda does not agree with that, by the way. But at
Yeah,
the same
but
time,
it is right now we know that 70% of people in the world have lactose intolerance.
because the milk is not
So-
what it should be. Milk
Yeah.
is not made the way what it should be.
It's compounded
Yeah.
differently and all the
Yes, the
hormones and
milk is
everything.
not the way it should be.
And as a person grows older, they also develop lactose intolerance, because if you look in the nature, no animal drinks the milk beyond the age of a few months. Only the human beings keep drinking milk, and that alone, not only their species, but some other species milk. So no wonder we cannot digest the milk.
That is
We
true.
are not designed to drink milk till we die. We are only designed to drink milk for up to like 1 or 2 years of age to grow. That
Okay.
is what modern science says, and that is where there is a difference with Ayurveda.
See,
And
Ayurveda
I have a
says,
couple of issues with ancient systems like Ayurveda and Vedic science and ISKCON and all that, because they don't want to let go of the 5,000-year-old writings. They want to follow it blindly. Now it was written by people 5,000 years ago for people living in the times of 5,000 years ago when there was nothing else available. So we have to adjust our lifestyle accordingly now with what we have available now. We cannot just say that, oh, milk is good and keep it going. The way
Time
milk is
has-
produced now, the way milk is produced is absolutely different than the way milk was produced
Right.
5,000 years
Correct.
ago.
Yes, that's what he said.
I said that. That's what I said.
Yeah.
Milk is not milk.
I
So,
promote
we are all on the
veganism.
same page, and that's why we have to give more and more emphasis to veganism now.
Anyway, it's more Ayurveda. So there is milk is the last part of the Ayurveda. Anyway, it's not the first part.
Yeah, no,
Correct. And
I have met a couple of people, and they say, "Oh no, I have to eat ghee for my knees." Somebody told them, "Oh, eating ghee will prevent knee problems. It will lubricate the joint there, as if you know, like you are putting a grease gun over there. People have the weird ideas, and people do different things in the name of Ayurveda.
अरे
But
अनिल
Avinash, every person has their own belief, and
Yeah.
ये
in
लेना
this
फोन
world,
लीजिए
Trilokji,
हाँ जी
Okay,
in this
we
world,
don't go for the discussion now.
no
no,
no
in
no
this
I
world-
just want to
There
add
is
I
a-
just want to add two more things.
yes,
My philosophy about Ayurveda is accept everything, reject nothing, choose what is good for you.
Yeah.
Accept everything, reject nothing, choose what is good for you. And I agree with you, sir, what you're saying about the milk. Today, milk is so bad. I drink almond milk. I don't drink milk.
Oh, so you are vegan then?
Not vegan because of that
but the
reason.
milk he is drinking almond.
Remember, I also drink regular milk
Yeah.
because, as I said, it's a very debatable question.
Yes,
We have every month Vegan Academy celebration at the Ayurveda Cafe.
Oh, great.
People, they graduate, so they always do their celebration for the lunch at the Ayurveda Cafe. There's always a whole 20, 25 people from Vegan Academy. There's a
Very
very
nice.
big promoter called Victoria Moraine. We will bring her sometime
Yeah.
on the show also.
yes.
If you Google her, you will know her name.
No, I
She's my-
have heard her name. I have read
She
about her.
is my regular customer at the Ayurveda
Victoria
Cafe.
Moran, I know her.
Okay, she's my regular customer there. So as I said, as an Ayurvedic person, my work is only to present. The choice is yours.
That's
You
right.
eat, good for you. You don't eat, doesn't make difference to me. I always say, hey, you want to eat meat? Go for it. I don't care. Your health is your health. My health is my health.
That's right.
I should know what is good for my health.
That's right.
As a friend, even Jai, Mr. HK, or even you guys, I will say, hey, I wish you good health. But you are old enough, you are wise enough, you are smart enough to make the choices what is good for you. Your health is your responsibility. You make the choice. This is the message I give from Ayurveda Cafe.
That's good.
Excellent.
That's good.
Very-
Okay, we
Okay.
conclude this. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Vimalji,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Vimal
Thank
ji.
you.
Trilok
Thank
ji,
you.
I'll contact you.
Talok,
Thank you,
Trilok
thank
everyone.
you very much. for your-
Avinash ji, thank you.
Namaskar.
Good to see you, Mr. HK. Good to see you.
Okay,
Very
we
good.
conclude.
Thank
Give
you.
you a call, Trilok ji.
Yes, and also nice to meet new friends here.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you, Trilok ji. Very nice.
We'll
I'm watching
contact
your
you
movie
to
right
put
now.
some
Please
interest
accept
in our
my point of
programs.
view just as a my point of view.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I want to
Absolutely.
make sure that you accept my point of view just
We
as
do,
my
we
point of
do.
view.
सही बात है. Thank you.
Nothing.
Very nice.
उससे
Thank you.
ज्यादा कुछ
Wish
नहीं
you all
है.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take care.
Join me in the prayer for the health and happiness of the whole world.
Absolutely. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ji.
Thank